Hey, this is Jen, and I am doing this light language energy transmission recording to assist you in aligning with your divine truth. So, currently, there's a lot of fear happening in the collective consciousness and through the media, and we have or may have a tendency to plug into other people's fears, other people's ideas and beliefs about things. And so I wanted to allow the energy to open for you to receive your inner truth, connecting into that perfect divine compass that always leads you in the perfect direction, and to clear any external programming, especially around fear, that pulls our energy frequency to lower vibrations. And so we're going to clear out any programs, beliefs, implants, collective thinking that we have received or that we've plugged into or that have been plugged into us. And this comes from many different outlets and resources. So letting all that go so that we can only be aligned with what is true for you, for us. So taking a deep breath and allowing yourself to open the heart, connecting into the truth of that, the truth of your heart. Allowing the energy from your mind to travel down, coming into your heart space that is now filled with light. And we're turning up the energy of truth, divine truth, soul truth, God truth, higher self truth, so you can access and exist from that space more easily, shedding everything that is out of alignment with that. So here we go. Hukuma atayata ekana ohua satana yako iatania sotoria kane yashotu kuru arasitiki. Komoroketana ataniata da oro sotonaya hianeme e sotonia setikuru kwara shatikiasa. And we're beginning with strength, assisting you with the strength to trust your inner truth. Komariasha tukuri enere sotonariate ena morokiana meresha tukuru kite enerasa. Kometo niata saniata niata kuri haname e sotonia satukia shetikia satukuru kua satanama. Koporo koreana morokutoniara shatayana aria satiki. And now we're shedding the layers, the lies. Komaria satona aria shotokurukiana me e sotoria satiki. Huko ohuana satana yata anama hatanyana mereke. Hania totokore henana moro sotoniana moro shata satayana edene era korokoriana ra satayana moro kua hianeresi. And then clearing the inner vision, activating the pineal gland, the third eye, and clearing out distortion. Kumoro sotariana morokena niara noroshoto korosniera satiana re sotoriana morokiana yataniara koroki. Kepanona moro sotoriana morokiana niara satayana re sataniara koriana re eshotono yata korokina mara. Moro koro satariana na mere katariana no korokua hana mara satana yata korokiani iki. And if you like, you could either rub or gently tap on that third eye. Komaria satariana rokiana ro shotoyana maro sotoriana yashania satakuya sidikikia. Koporokwane etana yatonoro korkoa shunumo satayana yatenere kototokori. And recentering back into the heart, allowing the purity of truth to resonate in the heart space, radiating out into the body, into the cells, into the mind. Korore soro. Korosotoro. Kumore satania da Koreana na yasha da Koreana na yasati na mero sotonia na marikikiana sotoro Koreana mara sotoro korokiana ere sotoriana yashiki hokoro asha sanayate enemere sotorokua and trusting our truth, trusting our truth. Koro sitenemere sotonaya koro hania asana ekone eka hua masata. Hetanaya totoroya namoroya naneshatiya nameresotonaya kianiero sutukurukia. Kopurukena marashotoniere korkuniata niane ena arekenono orukwaria satanaya tekia satorokorukia. Komorokoria satanayata no orukonia hiatane etanoroya satayashiasa. Kikere soro kianare sena orore hoianoro urusuri oh. Taking some deep breaths, allowing the reverberation of truth to entrain every molecule in your body. Repeating after me, I am truth. I am divine truth. I know my truth. I speak my truth. I live my truth. I hear truth. I am truth. All right, I hope you have a beautiful day.